my name is Eusebio and my name is Primo, and today we are going to talk about advantage and disadvantage in Asia. So I'm going to start. I think that Asia has different advantage, and for me, one of these advantages is the population because you know that in Asia, there are countries like China, Japan, Singapore, South Korea, that all of them have a big population, and for me, that is a big opportunity because you have a big market where you can sell your product.
For me, the population is a disadvantage because when you have a lot of population in your country, logically you have a lot of products or services, and if you want to make money in Asia, will be difficult because the competition is very hard, and you need to you need a good idea to make money in Asia because the competition is very hard.
Yes, you're right. But Primo, what do you think about the distance? I think that the distance is advantage, but I'm talking about the distance between the countries in Asia because you know that Singapore, China, Japan, and South Korea, all of these countries are close. So you can not only make business in Asia, you can make business in one country like China, and at the same time you can maybe sell your product in Japan, South Korea, and Singapore because the distance between these countries is close.
Yes, but you need to consider the distance between Mexico, for example, and China or Japan, because, for example, if your business is export to China or Japan, the distance is a factor, for example, in the cost to send your products, and also it's very known that the service of the logistic in China to China is not very well.
Yes, it's
So
expensive for this.
the distance is a disadvantage. Also, you need to consider the business trip to China or Japan, and in average, a business trip to Asia is has a cost of $10,000 for only few days.
Yes, you're right. You're talking about the distance between America and Asia, and I'm talking about the distance in Asia. There are two different points, but yeah, you
Yes.
have a very good point.
Mhm.
And what do you think about the language? For example, for me, I think that the language is not a problem because you know that English is like a universal language, and you know that in countries like South Korea, almost the 98% of the students finish the university. So that means that a big population in South Korea, in this case, should speak in English. So for me, that is not a disadvantage; it's a totally advantage.
In this topic, I will agree with your argument because the language is not a problem. All people speak English, and if you have interest in to learn Chinese or Japanese, you will learn Japanese and
Yes,
Chinese,
because
and it's an extra, and
of course.
the businessman will consider that you are very interested in make money in Asia or to have relationship with
And
them.
not only make money in Asia, you show that you are interested for the culture because if you learn their language, that means that you are really interested in learn the traditions, culture, and of course the language is like a plus, like you
Yes.
say.
Now that you take the topic of the culture, I have a disadvantage in Asia in the culture because, for example, Chinese people has they are very known that has the culture of the piracy, and for example, if you are going to make a good business in Asia or China, in this case, the Chinese people will try to copy or learn how do you make your business, how do you make your product, and this is a
Yeah,
disadvantage.
it's a really disadvantage. And well, our last comments, we know that we have advantage and disadvantage. For me, I think that the best idea or the best solution that you can do is make a good research investigation of the market because it's not an easy decision. You should to try to make a very good research in the web or with some associations.
Yes, It's only to take the best decision is evaluate the project and consider other option. For example, the first option is invest in your country, but if you have the market full in your country or your city, it's a good option to go to another country and expand your business, your profits, your gains.
Okay, so that is all for today, friends, and we are gonna see you in the next video. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye bye.